Hello everyone. Today I am uploading a new video on the univariate variables. Plotting of Here I will plot the graph for univariate variables in of the data Boston. I have took the Boston data that is inbuilt in the R. So today we will generate the function by using the functions in this video. First of all, this is a console where I can write in the data. Here is write editor. First of all, I am setting up the working directory where I will pick up the data. Here is the graph function that I have made as the name graphs, and function is a keyword that is used for building the functions. Here I have give the two parameters like data and the z, which will be described later. If then I have put the statement to whether the data I have given is data frame is a given object in data frame or not. If it is not a data frame, then it is stopped here. Otherwise, it will count the number of columns, and then it will check whether the data in the columns are numeric or not. If it is not numeric, then it will not further go. If it is numeric, then it will count the numbers and then do the function. First of all, I have used the PNG function. This PNG function is used to put the type of the graphs which we formed, whether JPEG format or PNG format. I am using PNG format. For that, I have used PNG function where I paste the name of the function, this which describe the name of the graph, and it in the .png format. Here I give as the extension of the saving file, and these are separated by the single commas. Here I give out the layout of the graphs, where how the graphs will be shown in the canvas of the R. This is here you can look it is a white canvas showing. It is a row wise, and then in the vertical it is a column wise. Then first in this parameter function, first there is an argument called mfrow will give the parameters, how much columns and how much rows will be used to show the plot. I have used two rows and one column for that plotting my two graphs on the canvas. First I have plot the box plot. Here for plotting the box plot I have used a box plot function. Here I give the data, then main is the heading of the my box plot by using paste function in the variable. Then I have given the title to the y-axis, and then given color to the red of the bars as red, borders as black, and I want it horizontally. Then I have plot histogram. For plotting histogram I have used hist, where I have given the data, and then it is given name of the histogram, and then it is given the x-axis title, and then y number of ICs as a y label as a y-axis, and then color of the bar is the orange, and then I am not given border here. And devof is the main function to save the function in the of the individual variables in the another folder. It will be by using the devof png, and the devof function is used to define that these graphs will be stored separately in the frames in the working directory as set it above. After this I have given the values to of the z as 1 2 3 columns number, that this column number will be shown in graph function. I am now given the value Boston as Boston data available, already stored already available in the R studio. by default I have using that Boston function and then give the values and I run. Now we can run. As we can see, it is successfully run, so it will now save. Now how can it looks? These are the graphs which we plot here and store it in the another file. Here also seen that we have given the 2 rows and 1 column. So the plot of box plot of Indus and the histogram are in the rows and in the single column. It will store in the file and looks like this. These are the individual plots, box plot, as we have given 2 comma 1 with so it row number 1, row number 2, and so it divides this as a rows and and up and down shows only 1 column. So this how mfro will give the will look like this. Now canvas, this is the zn value plot. Tags mf rm red pt ratio, these all the variables present in the in my Boston data. This is all about the univariate analysis of the Boston data. So thanks for watching videos, and if there is any questions or comment, kindly comment me and give some advices to make my videos more better and friendly. Thanks for watching videos. Your comments will be highly regarded. Thank you and have a nice day.